Alright, guys, this is your boy Nanaba for the celebrity blogger, and you're watching Poku TV on YouTube. Charlie, you best say videos be a better be ana makoshe na ma share ama Poku TV on YouTube. You were a year SG Mo, a year Royal View Cinema and Bar Lounge, and it's all about a year Galamsey movie premiere. Yeah, na be share yanka say bra penny be now play a role pa like I say or main characters, you know. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, and I say mention come on. Ras, but you be our code.
Oh yeah, Nyamiadom, everything is fine.
So far so good. Accra Premier, you were there. Kumasi there, Swaba. What is the secret behind that?
Well, even the moving on, we are all supporting our own. You understand? And see, those man, like they called me. My director, Famous, called me that I should. I mean, he's not around. He's also doing something at Lagos. He traveled to Lagos, so he said I should just come and represent for him. Okay. Yeah, so I just have to do what he asked me to do. That is why I'm here. Yeah.
So far, so good. Movie, yeah, premiere, who's sent by lead character and those kind of stuff. Is it? You say characters no more who play lead role. No, more doors one. I'm gonna play lead role. No?
Well, Mr. Beautiful, I did comment me by Abrania Wakra. So no lead character, but it's never true. I'm the lead character of that movie. If Omo Moshe now will witness, me I'm a lead character, I was a movie anymore. But I don't know why he was claiming to be a lead character on that movie. It's never true. I am the lead character.
I'm saying okay, say now we name the entire now yes, and we need to be a hype. Be na mo share say more promoting movie because if so, we movie be now I wear so na play lead role there. The entire German, we are say mo share na mo yes adieno.
No, actually, yeah, and said that say BSA and like oh yeah, the maddening in the surprisingly, you get it because we were not expecting him to do that. Because all of a sudden now like or appear, started say oh yeah, so I was the one who was pulling him out from the scene. You get it. So let me try say in the casa, but yes, still then. No, yeah. So I also pissed off later. So I was like, wow, why is he doing that? Because he's aware, say he's not the lead character.
Famous, we said that famous call interviews be no can say one reason behind here one financial poster so because of it be a political affiliation be a woman day. One no director famous by you say I didn't think that more politics industry.
Yeah, any politics per se. It's never a politics. I'm also an NDC man. Which I don't hide my identity, right? Maybe I'm a Kobiano. Like if they got to know I'm an NDC, it doesn't change anything. And besides, they ain't to be called one party. You understand? In 10 years, political asemkra, but since I didn't ban and so canisa, and so okanisa no krana na or say in your time. So mindemi jinana nemu say that is not how it is. And tisakra and your political, and because of political. But he was not the lead character of that movie.
All right, Ras.
Yeah,
I mean, we waste much of a time. We know, say, next project to go but so far so good. Ras next movie. Ben expecting.
Well, our next movie is The Big Sis.
Oh, okay.
And I played lead role.
Yeah, I remember that movie now. Peja Don Little. No?
Yeah, me Peja Don Little.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
And me and I'm a lead role in that movie.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So you people should just watch out. It's massive,
From the camp of Famous Multimedia, right?
Yes, Famous Multimedia and Westwood Multimedia.
So people say as a famous movie in Kwana Ultra, famous the artist in one I say like or pay na pay that rule man.
No, the artist in me.
Oh, okay.
Without famous, I don't know about say Ras do this, Ras do that. So yeah.
Your last word to the youth in the movie industry, them there if to na mom.
Well, the mechanic say Ghana by no mum no muncha woman share movie industry because I said by no money ni movie no. But the entertainment no see idea here pa because so be movie back there be a director famous cause so be movie back I employ nipa more than 1,000 and it's true. So penifo ni na no me plead on their behalf say omo uncho money and share entertainment movie industry first can shame no pejano. Yeah. And message now you can send this a day we nimnamada Takwa. I'm from Takwa, Western region. And Messianda, you kind of saying Konongo, Takwa, Takrade, you know, I'm from Takwa. So shout out to Glamour Pap and Grill. I'm CEO of Glamour Pap and Grill.
I see. Yeah. So aside acting, when I say, did you understand how you aside acting?
Me minor. Me a minor, yeah. And I have a restaurant with club in Takwa.
And it's going where your mind said you
Yeah,
and we are make sure. That's my penny.
All right.